It's April Fool's and I should have never trusted Vanessa. Let's guys, you got something coming to you. Understand? Vanessa got me good this year.
Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. So today is April Fool's Day and today is Rihanna's favorite day of the year. Like literally for the rest of the year you'll see her trying to fool anybody and everybody. And we're like, it's not April, you know, it's not April. But now it's April Fool's Day. I know that she have some tricks up her sleeve, but I have a trick up my sleeve. So I'm gonna fool her and her sister today. I went to the supermarket and I bought some stuff. And you guys don't mind the hair, don't mind the dirty place because I am renovating right now. So I'm just gonna take you on my preparation mode, before and then I'm going to video her and video them. I don't even know where because I don't even have where to do it, but I guess outside, yes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell them that I'm doing a challenge. And we all know that Rihanna love challenge and Jordan love challenge. They want to be in the spotlight. So you know that's a great opportunity to fool them. And they love their belly. They love their belly, they love them food, they love them food. So why not do a challenge with food? Yeah. So today is going to be very nice. And you know, stay tuned for the video. So don't mind the bathroom stuff in the dining area, the kitchen area, whatever. As I said, I am renovating, so everything is pretty much in here, right? So today I bought Oreo, and you know what's about to happen, right? Then I bought some sponge. You know what's about to happen, right? And what I did too, I had this, and to make it more realistic, I'm going to say, Rihanna, I need you to go and buy to Coca-Cola or Pepsi or whatever because I want to do a food challenge. And you know that she's going to buy that, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna let you see how I do this. Yeah. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back in the bag and then I'm going to seal the bag to make it look more real. Alright, so I'm just gonna melt this because I don't think this is working properly and I want it to be properly covered, you know, properly. I want it to be like, I want it to be properly covered, so I'm just gonna use this and I'm gonna melt it and dip it in it so it can be realistic. So we have something for you buy because we need to do one challenge. You need to buy Pepsi or one Coke, a small bottle for your enjoy dinner.
Okay, what the money?
No, but if you have money, you can buy it.
No money.
So then you ask if out of your money for. Eh?
No money.
So we have to go do it outside because you know, so we don't know if we do it because due to all we have, we do. Tiling and that.
Okay, I'm going to change my clothes.
I'm going to change the clothes and then go buy it. Are you enjoying dinner come?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, she have no idea that today is April the 1st. Like, this is going to be awesome. Like this is the day. Like every year, you know, like through the year, she'll be like, April Fools, April Fools, April Fools. And say on the actual day, she'll forget. So, you know, watch me and her. She and her sister going to have it. Like I have it for them. So she's going to change her clothes, and I'm going to give her the money to go and buy this stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. So today I have a challenge for these two. So it's between Jordana and Rihanna, right? So the challenge is who can eat it all. Yeah. So who do you think is the winner? You know, comment down below. Let me know who is going to win this challenge. And Rihanna has won what, 3 challenges so far? And Jordana, I don't even want to talk about her.
On top?
I don't even want to talk about her right now. It's a disgrace. But anyway, I'm going to go for the stuff. Yeah. And then we're going to see who is going to win.
Okay guys, you don't know it's going to be me.
Don't chop into something.
You don't know it's going to be me, so don't even think it's going to be Jordana, because I eat the most in this house. And I will stuff my mouth with every single bit at one time. So, vote for me and
guys, somehow I feel like this is a prank because today is April Fools. I feel like to do something to the food. I don't know if let's do something to the food.
Okay. Oh, that reminds me. Okay. So let's say I'm going to food. I got a very good prank. Comment down below and hit that subscribe button, and you'll be the first one to know when I let out that prank.
So, hope for you. Leave it. Leave for you. See attack.
How are you guys doing?
Fine.
Good to see you guys.
Yeah.
What's that doing? Why does it look so blue?
Alright, so we have three three Oreos and a bottle of Coke. So first they're going to eat the Oreo, whoever can finish it off first, and then drink the Coke, right?
Okay.
So on your mark, get set, go. No, it doesn't make sense.
It's too big. But I'm going
No, we're not eat this. No, something wrong with them.
You really eat so Jesus.
No, we're not eat that.
No, we're not hungry.
I'm not eating my serious. I'm not.
Drinking juice.
Alright.
You know what, guys? I completely lost my appetite. Did you later?
April Fools!
Yeah, this is a prank.
April Fools!
You're gonna drink this. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. You.
Don't lift me up.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. It's April Fool's, and I should have never trusted Vanessa. Let's Guys,
Rihanna,
you got something coming to you.
you know what?
Long the sitting stuck in my teeth.
Nothing wrong. How was it?
Everybody sitting stuck in my teeth.
Well, at least not brushing the teeth this morning. What, Rihanna, you still drinking juice?
I want to eat. I want this. I want to put in it.
Soya sauce. You see, all year round we are April Fools. You know another April Fool, yeah, April Fools. And for the day, you know, remember?
I didn't know it was April Fool's. You just think it was normal. Until Daddy and just go so. You put toothpaste in it. Eat it. Brush your teeth.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I went hungry. I bet I'm not want to eat. No hungry again.
No, man. Rihanna push me down.
You play with this to catch Rihanna, your boy, you don't know. You play
Me
with
know what
this
me are doing now, but I'm not ready yet.
Good. I'm going to put some milk on it.
You know what, something to eat?
Just don't eat for me for the rest of the month.
No, me have to make, you know what the drinks you drink? You know what the drink, the real drink.
Rihanna,
Look.
Rihanna, you remember me telling this man, but you know remember.
You have to sit down, yes, sir.
Remember as I came here this morning, I told you it's April Fool's Day? You never remember, boy.
Unfair thing, guys. Unfair.
You never remember.
No, so today April Fool. Put my I take time when I saw it.
Remember. I'm going to really drink. Now.
Alright, me I go for the real drink.
Rihanna, go on. I don't want to try nothing.
Me I go for the real drink. And out of the something to throw it that I'm pouring here.
It takes so long to get one juice. Shall do something with juice.
I real something where you going so far. Just the one piece of chocolate here. You don't get none.
Yeah, that was good for the brownie. The brownie.
At least you have to give somebody a bit because you don't give it 2 pieces.
So you want a piece of my brownie for make up with that?
Yes.
Alright then. I'm going to piece. Then yes, I go eat I go do mukbang with the brownie. It's done.
What go make this like? Understand? Unless I got me good this year.
Last time she did, please should do.
This year, she gonna get it back. People that back up. And then, we got a position to people. And my people.
Oh, you know, alright.
Give me!
Come on.
You see a chocolate? April.
Babe!
Look, no!
That's what you get!
Rihanna! Look what you them over.
He give me! Look, I should give him 50 years.
Try camera on.
Fun! Fun! You put something funny.
Serious? Come Come here, say me up.
Look at Rihanna do my leg. What? No, it clean, a clean sponge, idiot. April Fools.
Two in a one day.
No one day.
Alright.
So she have to work on the Yes. That's it.
Guys, do not try this at home. Chocolate sponge. No matter how much time you try to eat it, it's still not digestible.
Don't try this at home, kids. Don't not try it at home.
You want something else to eat? You don't want something else to eat?
What the brownie there?
So do the brownie this.
No!
I brownie this.
The actual chocolate. Wait.
So now the chocolate, this one top of the brownie.
We don't want that.
We don't want it.
You want something else?
Want something normal.
You don't want something else?
Make it
Something edible. Edible. Not punch chocolate. Trying to get chocolate me up. What for not just sitting in the kitchen? They're sitting here at torture.
Ugh. It's messy.
Latin and try not me now.
Nah, man, you go this time. All the problems stop no baby. Yeah?
She does something to it.
Oh, wait, Lena. Go for the partner kitchen.
She fast it.
One piece, thingy.
Sarah.
Kisara.
No.
You don't want piece?
Lena with the partner.
That is fast.
You want to put in there? Epsom salt. The belly I go run. I choke. Alright, when I talk it through, when they get catch, right? When they get catch done. So who are the master of all pranks?
Me. And me.
Who are the master of all pranks?
Me.
Then get catch with toothpaste and Oreo, soya coke, and brownie sponge. Yeah, how was it, guys?
Yes.
What you have them on video to
Anyway, thank you guys for checking in. You know, give this video a big thumbs up. You know,
Don't
subscribe to
forget
the channel.
to subscribe.
Hit the notification button.
Then also, when we upload, you'll be the first to know. And tell us down at the bottom so we can shout you out, guys.
Bye.
Wait then. Guys, finish April Fool's carbon. Prank Vanessa.
When they hear that?
This April Fool's prank Vanessa.
What?
Oh, you know my prank card, come on.
Vanessa, tell them your number.
Anyway, we catch Rihanna this time. Yeah. What are you gonna do about that now? Bye.